Hello everyone, welcome to Sharda Cook. Our today's recipe is special masala toast sandwich. This is a street style sandwich. So let's see what we require for this recipe. 3 to 4 boiled mashed potatoes, 1 tomato cut in slices, 1 cucumber and 1 onion. All are cut in slices. Butter, some bread slices, tomato ketchup, few curry leaves, finely chopped green chili, half teaspoon of mustard seeds, some chaat masala and black salt, half teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of amchur powder, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala, salt to taste. So firstly we'll start preparing the masala. For that we are going to heat the pan. Now we are going to add butter. Next we are going to add mustard seeds. Let them crackle. As they start crackling, add green chili, curry leaves. Now we will add potatoes. Now we are going to start adding turmeric powder, red chili powder, amchur powder, garam masala and salt. Mix everything well. So masala is ready. Turn off the flame. Now let it cool down for a few minutes. So next we are going to take some bread slices. Apply a generous amount of butter. So we have applied butter on all these slices. Now we're going to apply and spread the ketchup. So this is basically a very quick recipe to make a sandwich at very quick and you just get the sauce in the market very easily, and you can just prepare a aloo masala and your sandwich is almost ready. Now place your cucumber slices. Next we are placing the tomato slices. Now we are going to sprinkle just a little bit of black salt and chaat masala. Next go on and apply your aloo masala. Now lastly on the top onions, and lastly we are just sprinkling a little bit more black salt and chaat masala. Now just apply a little bit of butter on the top slices. Now we're going to take a sandwich toaster. Just spread some butter on it. Now we are going to take a sandwich. So our toast sandwich is ready. So there you go, your masala toast sandwich is ready. And you can see this is a very easy and a very quick recipe. It also tastes really good. If you like this video, do thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much.